welcome back to Turmeric Tadka. Today we are going to make Mangalore Buns. Soft, slightly sweet South Indian favorite dish made with ripe bananas, crispy and golden on the outside, light and airy on the inside. They are perfect with coconut chutney or even a hot cup of tea. So come, let's check out this recipe. Let's start by taking 2 fully ripe bananas, peel them and place them in a mixing bowl. Add 2 to 3 tablespoons of sugar, one tablespoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of red chilli powder, half tablespoon of turmeric powder, half tablespoon of jeera powder, and add half tablespoon of ajwain and lightly crush it in between your palms before adding it into the bowl. Using a fork, mash the bananas well until all the ingredients are evenly combined. Once everything well mashed, add 1 to 2 tablespoons of oil. Now add 1½ cup of all-purpose flour, which is maida, and mix everything together until it forms a soft dough. You can also add a little curd and a pinch of baking soda if you prefer. For this recipe I have skipped both because I personally like the Mangalore buns to have a soft, puri-like texture, and this method gives me exactly the result. Once the dough is ready, lightly brush the top with a little oil, cover it and let it rest overnight. The next morning, divide the dough into small equal-sized balls. Roll each one into a puri shape, keeping the thickness medium, not too thick, not too thin. This is a perfect thickness for soft and fluffy Mangalore buns. Repeat the same process with the remaining doughs. This recipe makes around 20 Mangalore buns, which is enough to comfortably serve 3 to 4 people. Heat enough oil in a deep pan for frying. Once the oil is hot, reduce the flame to medium and gently slide in 1 rolled bun at a time. As it starts to puff up, gently press it with a slotted spoon so it cooks evenly. Flip it over and fry the other side until both sides turns beautifully golden brown and are evenly cooked. Repeat the same process with the remaining dough until all the Mangalore buns are perfectly fried and ready to serve. And there you have it. Crispy on the outside, soft and perfectly homemade Mangalore buns. Serve them with coconut chutney, enjoy them with hot cup of tea, or simply have them on their own as a delicious snack. They're absolutely delicious either way. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, share, subscribe to my channel for more easy and tasty recipes. Thank you for watching.